Hey everyone, this is Swati and you're watching Beauty Things. Today I'm gonna review these best quality under budget lipsticks from new color box range of Oriflame. Before that, if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing and click on the red subscription button below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video. And yeah, do watch my next video in which I'm gonna try all these 11 shades from color box range on my lips. We'll try to attach the link in the description box. The outer packaging of these lipsticks look like this. The name of the lipstick is written at the back. If you want to see, you can just check it out. So if you want to see these beautiful lip shades, keep watching. So the first shade here is Ruby. It's a beautiful reddish plum shade for all Indian skin tones. I'll give you a closer look in the end of the video with both normal and flashlight. The texture of these lipsticks are quite creamy. I hope you can see here. It's a beautiful ruby shade. Second one here is Plum. As the name suggests, it's a beautiful plum shade. This is for all Indian skin tones. Staying power of these lipsticks are about 3 to 4 hours. It's a plum shade. Now the third one is just a minute. Yeah, it's a tangy orange. Yeah, it's a very beautiful bright orange shade. Best suited for fair skin tone people, and medium skin people can give it a try. So fourth one here is Burgundy shade. Again, this is for all Indian skin tones. It's a beautiful burgundy shade. The price of these lipsticks is quite the price is quite nominal. It's 235 MRP, and I have bought this in offer somewhere around 150 rupees. So the fifth one is Tangerine. Yeah, it's a peachy shade. What I can say is it's a peachy shade, more on orangish side. Fair to medium skin people can wear it. Uh, all shades have very good pigmentation, but shades which belong to orange family like this one are quite more pigmented than others. So the sixth one here is a soft red shade. It's a red shade with a hint of pink. Again, this is for all Indian skins. Now this is seventh one. This is bright red shade, a most kind of shade which is favorite of everyone, you can say. This is a very good bright shade with a hint of again orange. This will again suit all Indian skins. Now eighth one is bright coral, a very beautiful peachy shade. Again, this is again had a very good hint of orange, uh, as it is a peachy shade. So this is suitable for fair skin people, but medium skin people can give it a try, of course. Ninth one is brick red. Yeah, it's a gorgeous dark maroon shade for all Indian skins. It looks fabulous. Now it's time for Pinky Pinky. I mean, the 10th one is romantic pink. All pink lovers, this is for you. This is quite different pink color I have seen in this range. It's neither very light pink nor like fuchsia. It's a very cool shade. I mean, it suits every Indian skin tone. It looks really fabulous. Worth trying. Yeah, it's really good. 11th one is Peppy Peach. Yeah, it's a kind of a very peppy shade. Uh, Peach shade, which is more on orangish side. This shade works great on fair skin people, but I would not recommend it for medium to darker skins. You can obviously mix and match all these shades to create your own shade. And last but not the least, bright pink shade. This is again for very fair people. It's a very light pink shade. So here is the close-up of all the shades under natural light. We'll be showing you how it looks under flashlight in a while. So this is how it looks under flashlight. They are so creamy, so tender. They'll hydrate your lips and they'll stop that blackening effect or blackening of your lips anymore. And yes, if you want to buy these shades, they are available online. We'll be attaching link in the description box. You can buy it from there, but I would suggest you to buy them from any of the Oriflame consultant near you, or you can also join Oriflame to avail discounts and free gifts. For that, you just write it down in the comment box that you're interested in joining Oriflame. We'll contact you. So that's all from my side today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch my next video. I hope you find it helpful. Give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Click on my channel logo, Beauty Things. Bye bye.